Alright, so now you are familiar with the paragraph tag and line break. So we are going to see if we can customize the look of our text a little more. So for that we are going to see a range of tags. So the first stuff we are going to look at is how to make some text bold, and there are two ways we can do that. So the first one is using AB tag, which is a short form of bold. So let's include AB tag in our first paragraph. So if we just pop B and B around a certain area of string of letters, then those letters or word will become bold. So just let's place some words inside the B tag. Let's save this and reload the page. So you will see this bold word has become bolded because I have placed that word between my B tags. So B tag is valid HTML tag, but generally it's encouraged to use a strong tag instead, which does the exact same thing, but it is little bit easier to read. So strong tag make it clear that you want this word to be displayed strongly, clearly and boldly. So instead of B tag we are going to use strong tag because of its readability. So let's save this and refresh it. So you will not see any changes because both the tags do the same thing. Okay, so the next we will look at the italic text. So similarly for the italic text we got two tags. So just like bold we have I tag. So let's place the I tag in the second paragraph, and I will place a word inside this I tag. So you will see the word that I just placed inside my I tag will be italicized. Okay, so the second tag which is used for this italic text is EM, which is the short form of emphasis. So EM is considered better form to be used slightly clearer than I in term of meanings. So instead of I we can use EM tag also. Let's save this and refresh this, so we'll not see any change because both tags do same things. Okay, so the next we look at how we can underline a particular word. So for that let's include a paragraph and let's add some text here. So for underlining particular word we will be using a tag which is short form of underline. So whatever word that you want should appear as underline, so that you have to place inside EU tag. Let's save this and refresh to see the changes. So the underline word you can see is now underlined because that was placed inside EU tag. So this U tag has interesting history, like it was removed from HTML in version 4.01 and it was brought back in version 5. You can use it now, but it's generally preferred that we use INS tag instead of U tag, that is short form of instead to imply underline. So instead of this U tag it's more preferred to use INS tag. So both tags will do the same thing, so you will not see any changes in the output. Okay, so still there are a couple of more tags that we have to discuss. So we have a superscript, it's mean high up in the air, and for that we use SUP tag, which is short form of superscript. So let's just include one more paragraph. So one more paragraph, and for superscript that is used for raising a particular letter in the air, we use the sup tag. So we place that sup tag around the angle brackets, and let's put some word inside this superscript tag. Let's save this and see the changes. So the superscript word was placed inside the super tag, so you will notice that it is raised above in the air. Let me just adjust this so it's visible. Okay, so now I have quick challenge for you. So you can just work on the subscript tag. So just pause the video, do a little research and go for it. So I hope you managed to guess that one. So it's just the exactly same. Instead of sub tag is for the superscript, you have to use sub tag. So I will include more paragraph for the subscript. So for the subscript, we are going to use sub tag, and let place a word inside this tag. Save this and refresh it to see the changes. So this is the output for the subscript tag. Okay, so the next one that I am going to show is stuck out. Like if you want some text or word to appear as struck out, so for that we are going to use the del tag, which is short form of delete. Sorry. So for that we will include one more paragraph. So we'll use the del tag for striking of a particular word. Let's save this and refresh it. So you will see that this deleted word has a strike of effect because it was placed between the del tag. Okay, so at last I'm going to show you a completely separate tag which I am quit on. The name of the tag is horizontal rule. The short form is HR. So let's include a HR tag, and you will see it's self-closing tag. So let's save this and see what this HR tag actually do. So you will notice that it's add a horizontal line to my web page. So it's a good tag for adding some section to our web pages. So that was all for this video. So these were some of basic formatting tags that we have done. So if you want to know about more formatting tags, you can just go to Google and type HTML formatting tag. So you will get the link of the Fab3 or W3 school, and you can just explore by yourself. So we have discussed the most common ones, but there are still some more formatting tags that you can just read. So that was all for this video. In the next video we are going to start with list.